le island o ira pila a tsamaya.
Thokozani bogogo, thokozani zinhlonhlo. Kore ho nyaka ho bona hore ba boletse ba sephokophoko ndlebeng. Tlhare mongoma. Tlhalefa wa khona ho utlwa hore mo ho ne le ntho e sa tsamayeng pila o ngangisetsa ko fatshe. Wa sa ngangise utlwahale. Wa sa ngangise utlwahale. Wa itse it's high time le tlo bonang hore vele mo ke scam ke maka fela. And e tla tsatsi le tlhalefa ya ba le di-family qho. Utlwa fela dilo tse di bolediwang mo fela. Wena self wa khona ho utlwa hore this is not my mother. Mara o tshaba ho bolela hore ha mmaka ne re utlwana mmaka na se ne problem le monnaka. Mara jiki mma wa shwa tlhokofetse o tlha ka mekgwa e meng e seng yona. Le sa tlo bolayana. Ngwana sa utlwing o wetse dikomeng. Ngwana mahana o botsa o wetse dikomeng a re koma ke tshesho. Aretse wa itse ke tse dintshi di-era ke tse dintshi la ni byanong voice ya hao ya utlwahala mo ngangisa mo teba ka sontsi voice ya hao e no utlwahalanyana hanyane wa utlwahala hore mola wa hana hore wa nna mmaka wa nketela ke a molora wa molora mara mo yena o bolela hore ha o bona ko etela ko a ke tle mo ditorong tsa wa ke mara le hana le ntse leya le hana le ntse leya ni bana ba o poutsi na hana dilo tse ba di boletseng mo national TV hore wena monna ha o nya go ira 1 2 3 wena self wa itse hore monna wa haloi nahana dilo tse di irahalang right le tla tshepa ka letaere one day motho a fisiwa ka letaere ka dilo tsa o tlatluwa ditšhila tsa o tlatluwa madambi.
Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, despite the alleged lawsuit that System B allegedly won against Gogo Makepula to stop tarnishing her brand, Gogo Makepula is unfazed as he's busy there on TikTok. You guys remember 3 years ago, we reported in a story which was written, of course, by a popular publication saying that System B took Makepula to court and for defamation, and reportedly, allegedly, also she won. Makepula now went on his TikTok to deny those reports, saying that there was no such thing, and it seems like maybe there could be some possibility, some truth to that alleged defamation of character lawsuit, as he is busy there on TikTok, or I'd like to think so, because he would be a brave man if he continued doing this, even though he was slapped with a lawsuit. You guys, now he did this video again regarding System B. Now we saw he took a snippet of Itlozi Lami and says that you guys are still gonna be tricked by this girl, because it clearly what System B was telling her guest, according to Makepula, was not it at all. And you know, the guest that had written to Josie Lam, you can hear from her saying yes, but not loudly. So Makepula says that it is clear that System B is definitely lying to you, and you're afraid, you're scared of saying no. He says that imagine you're taken to national TV only to be embarrassed, because System B did mention a lot of chilling things regarding the guest who had written into Utluzilame. He says that you guys are still gonna be shamed, because according to him, System B is a fake of a medium and there is no such thing. He says that, you know what, System B will tell you things that you don't know anything about, and by that guest going there, by her keeping, you know, not proudly saying yes or just keeping quiet, proves that she was embarrassed to tell System B that no, my mother visits me in my dreams. What do you mean she isn't? And you know, that episode, I found it very much confusing, I have to say. You guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like, of course, to share this video so that you do not have to miss out, of course, whenever we try to upload a new video. He also made a point saying that System B, if you watch like some of his old clips. He also said that Usis Tembi has a research team. When you write onto the show, that team comes to you to ask you questions before Usis Tembi comes, and then they will brief Usis Tembi. When Usis Tembi comes into your house, she acts like, you know, she has seen these people because she has read clearly the briefs. She knows what she's talking about. She'll talk about your deceased mother. She'll talk about your uncle because they had already done their research, and you think that Usis Tembi knows exactly what she's talking about when in fact she had read whatever her team had given her. She said that, you know what, she is definitely a scam. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever we try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.